Hey there, Saudi Arabia. Ready to unlock Viber and stay connected with friends and family around the world? Well, guess what? We've got a surprise solution for you at the end of this video. The solution is Mena VPN, the ultimate tool for bypassing restrictions and accessing Viber hassle-free. Let's dive into how Mena VPN can help you reconnect with your loved ones. Here's the scoop. 1. Download and install Mena VPN using the discount code in the description. 2. Open the app, sign in, and select a server location outside Saudi Arabia. 3. Connect to the server and launch Viber. Get ready to chat and call without any barriers. But wait, there's more! Mena VPN offers lightning-fast speeds, top-notch security, and reliable performance to enhance your Viber experience to the fullest. Don't let geo-restrictions limit your connections. Use the discount code in the description to get Mena VPN for free. Reconnect with Viber and stay in touch with Mena VPN today.